Good morning. Been out here polishing up on my new purchase, 79 GS 750. But getting the chrome back to life. It's looking pretty good. As you can see, it's got some pitting, but went over it. Didn't take long at all. What I've done so far, if you can imagine the whole machine looked like that right there. I'll show you real quick what I've been doing to it. And there's a lot of videos online for this, but I personally just took some Mother's Chrome polish because it's what I had in the cabinet over there, and a little drop. Doesn't take much, about a pea-sized drop, and then just a piece of aluminum foil, any old aluminum foil right out of the kitchen, don't tell the wife, and then just rub it down. I know a lot of people online were using Coca-Cola. I'm not a Coke drinker. I prefer Pepsi products, and I didn't want to waste it on cleaning a motorcycle. I'd rather waste Mother's aluminum polish. I don't enjoy the taste of that. But as you can see, a lot of that mess came off. Let me just wipe this bar off and show you real quick. And of course, I'll hit it again. That was kind of quick just for the sake of the video. But as you can see, it makes it a completely different bar. But just going to hit all the other 70s, 80s chrome pieces on this, and hopefully bring them back to a mirror finish like I did the fender. Hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.